Priorities, I think, we should be on setting the rules and implementing the rules. It's about changing the mindset, but also implementing a new mindset. So it's rule of law and rule of law. It means setting those rules that will be the clear message to the foreign investors, meaning that a worker, a journalist, a judge, a foreign investor knows what are the rights, what are the duties. So this is what Europe is about, opportunities and responsibility. Now that Serbia has embarked on the European path, I think this is the priority they should do. So I mentioned today media. Media is key, is important. When you are working as the government will have to let's say, engage the people of Serbia in the European path, to explain why they should make sacrifices for Chapter 23 and 24. You have to